In a world where communication knows no boundaries, one app has made its mark as a global messaging giant, and that is WhatsApp. WhatsApp, a name synonymous with instant messaging, connects over 2 billion users worldwide. But how did this simple app revolutionize the communication industry? Still too slow. The story begins in 2009 with founders Jan Koum and Brian Acton, both former employees of Yahoo. They envisioned an app that would not just send messages, but indicate statuses as well. So who is Jan Koum? Jan Koum is a Ukrainian-American entrepreneur born in Ukraine on the 25th of February 1976 and is a computer programmer. At age 16, his family moved to Mountain View, California, USA. A social support program helped the family get a small 2-bedroom apartment for him and his mom. Koum worked as a cleaner at a grocery store to help his mom, who initially worked as a babysitter. At 18, Koum, interested in computer programming, enrolled at San Jose State University and simultaneously worked at Ernst & Young as a security tester. He also joined Yahoo, a computer security think tank started in 1996, where he met future NASPAR creators Sean Fanning and Jordan Ritter. In 1997, Koum met Brian Acton while working for Ernst & Young. Later, he was hired by Yahoo as an infrastructure engineer. He quit school shortly thereafter. Koum and Acton worked at Yahoo for 9 years. They both took a sabbatical in 2007, traveling around South America. Interestingly, both applied at Facebook and both were rejected. The irony of which is not lost on me, and it will be seen by you at a later stage. And the irony you'll pick up on a later stage. On his 33rd birthday, Koum incorporated WhatsApp Inc. in California. It is also interesting that when they started and chose the name WhatsApp, Koum said he chose the name because it sounded like "What's up." So the next time you tease older people for calling it that, remember how the name came about. WhatsApp was unpopular initially until Apple added push notification ability in apps in June of 2009. Koum changed the app to ping users when they received the message. And with his friend Alex Fishman and his friends in the area, most of them Ukrainian, they started to use WhatsApp rather than SMSs. The app gained a large user base, and Koum convinced Acton, who was unemployed at the time, to join the company. When Acton brought in $250,000 in seed funding, Koum granted Acton co-founder status. So who is Brian Acton? He was born in 1972 and is an American computer programmer and internet entrepreneur. He is the executive chairman of Signal Technology Foundation, who he co-founded with his pal Moxie Molenspike in 2018. As of January the 10th, 2022, Acton serves as interim CEO of Signal Messenger LLC, formerly employee of Yahoo, and is a co-founder of WhatsApp. He grew up in Michigan and later moved to Central Florida, where he graduated from Lake Howell High School. He received a full scholarship to study engineering at the University of Pennsylvania, but left a year later to study at Stanford. He graduated in 1994 with a degree in computer science. At Rockwell International, he became a system administrator before becoming a product tester at Apple Inc. and Adobe Systems. He joined Yahoo Inc. in 1996. As I stated, he was rejected by Facebook, and the rest is history when he later joined WhatsApp as co-founder. He left WhatsApp in 2017 to start his own foundation, the Signal Foundation, which is dedicated to helping people have access to private communication through an encrypted messaging app. Interestingly, in March of 2018, Forbes reported that Acton had publicly tweeted support for the hashtag Delete Facebook movement. More on that later. Acton is currently a board member of the Signal Foundation. He currently resides in Palo Alto, California. WhatsApp journey is one of rapid growth. It gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and committed to privacy, offering end-to-end encryption. So here's a brief outline on WhatsApp through its history. 2009, WhatsApp is founded by Jan Koum and Brian Acton. 2010, WhatsApp introduces the ability to send photos and videos in messages. In 2011, WhatsApp introduces group messaging. In 2012, WhatsApp introduces voice messaging. In 2014, Facebook acquires WhatsApp for $19 billion. More about that later. In 2015, WhatsApp introduces end-to-end encryption for all messages. In 2016, WhatsApp introduces video calling. In 2017, Brian Acton leaves WhatsApp to start his own foundation, focused on promoting privacy and data protection. 2018, Jan Koum resigns as CEO of WhatsApp, reportedly due to disagreements with Facebook over data privacy and encryption. It seems Brian had a similar disagreement, as can be seen by his public backing of the #DeleteFacebook movement. In 2021, WhatsApp introduces disappearing messages, which automatically delete messages after a set period of time. In 2022, WhatsApp hits the 2 billion base, of which 487 million are in one country, and that's India. Source of that is Statista. 2022 WhatsApp Business. The app helps people find messages and buy from a business on WhatsApp. Interesting, 53.9% of WhatsApp users are male and 46.1% are female. Exploratory studies suggest that women users are far more active on the app. Nothing new. There are 220.5 million WhatsApp business downloads were made by users worldwide in 2021. In 2014, Facebook acquired WhatsApp for an astonishing $19 billion. This merger brought together two communication powerhouses. It is ironic that the biggest purchase that Facebook has made after acquiring Instagram, that is an app owned by two individuals that they had originally rejected. Now, I know a lot of people have gone for job interviews and been rejected in a job interview. I myself have been to a lot of job interviews where you get rejected, you get some know-it-all sitting on the other end of the desk, on the other side of the desk, asking you questions, and they seem to know better about the industry that you're involved in than they do, especially HR. And the difficulty in that is you're looking at this individual and think to yourself, you know what, you're basing your assumptions on what? And I, for one, had been in situations where I really, I know I could do the job, but you don't get the job and you move on to something new. And it's interesting that, I would love to be Jan Koum and Brian Acton at that moment sitting in the boardroom of Facebook and throw the rejection notice on the table just to rub it in, to say, well, look, you guys couldn't spot talent if it bit you on the ass. Just to rub it in. And what I'd like to have had in this situation like that is the HR person that actually signed off to say, listen, you're not good enough for the job, just to see their face. Facebook actually did both the founders of WhatsApp a huge favor. Can you imagine if they had taken the role and they had both been successful to join Facebook? WhatsApp may never have seen the light of day in its current guise. And nearly everybody uses it because it's free messaging, it's free phone calls, you can do videos in it, you can attach graphics, you can attach whatever the hell you want to within the app, and it doesn't cost you a cent except for the data that you are using. And with Wi-Fi and fiber availability of fiber networks, the costs are negligible compared to what you would do if you were using a tool like SMSs. Initially, WhatsApp charged a nominal annual subscription fee. However, post-acquisition, it shifted to a completely free model, focusing on user growth over immediate revenue. So what about its monetization strategies? So how does WhatsApp make money? Initially, as I said, it charged $1 to download and $1 a year through a subscription model. Not much. Meta removed the dollar fee and made WhatsApp a free service. Its primary revenue comes from its business and services. The WhatsApp Business app and API allows companies to communicate with customers efficiently, charging businesses for messages sent. As of 2020, 40 million users view a business catalog on WhatsApp every month, as per Facebook, as reported by Facebook. WhatsApp makes money through fees on its business API product and transaction fees on WhatsApp Pay, which is a payment platform which allows users to send money directly to a bank account of other WhatsApp users and, as I stated, to non-WhatsApp users. WhatsApp revenues are on a solid growth trend, and it is estimated to make 23.8 million per day. Non-conform reports according to Forbes estimate that WhatsApp revenue stands at approximately 27 billion in Q1 of 2022. Financial statements are not public, so there is no way of knowing this for sure. So there has been data sharing controversies and the reason why the two founders actually left the organization. WhatsApp's data sharing practices with Facebook sparked privacy concerns. However, it assured users of continued end-to-end encryption for personal messages. Looking ahead, WhatsApp may explore new revenue streams like in-app purchases or advanced business tools. With the amount of free users registered to use the app, there is every possibility that WhatsApp may charge a small subscription in future. It will be very interesting to see if that does happen and how the user base will respond. WhatsApp are also exploring introducing limited advertising. The possibilities are endless. WhatsApp's impact on society is profound, shrinking the world by connecting people across continents seamlessly. WhatsApp journey is a testament to the power of simple, effective communication. It remains a key player in the ever-evolving digital world, where staying connected is not just a necessity, but a way of life. Thanks for joining this podcast. Please smash a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.